Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to save memories to highlights. So here's how to save your Instagram memories to highlights. First, open Instagram and go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Then in here, tap archive. So in here, tap the memory section. Then open the memory you want to keep. Next, tap the share or story button to post it to your story. And before sharing, you can add text, stickers, or music if you'd like. So once it's live on your story, open your profile and tap new under the highlight section and you can add it from there. So select the story you just shared. So click this arrow right here to proceed and name your highlight and then click the plus icon to add it. So as you can see, it has now been added to my highlights. And that's it. So your memory is now saved as a highlight and will stay on your profile even after your story expires. So let's view it. And that's it. If you want to delete it, just click the three dots in the bottom right corner, then tap remove from highlight. So from here, you can also edit highlight and archive highlight. And that's it. Thank you for watching.